This is a purely mathematical perspective on how to make a tulip or granny square bag. Very pretty and has some interesting math that I thought I'd share with you. So to make it, what you want to do is you want to first of all start off with a solid square, starting with 4 stitches on each side of of the round, and to find out how many stitches are in each round, in each row, sorry, on each panel, on each row here. As you're making this granny square, you do the round times 4. So if you're on, say, the third round, you just do 3 times 4, which is 4, 8, 12. So that's 12 stitches. So once you have made your square size, you then want to start wanting to make only one decrease, which is of 4 stitches. And what it creates is, first of all, it creates this little dimple here, and second of all, it creates this V shape, as you can see here, which decreases 4 stitches along the way, but it keeps each side symmetrical in the same. So over here, this is 22 stitches on each side. And to figure that out, the decrease must occur directly in the middle. So to get that, you need to know the number of stitches in the last round, and you need to divide that by 2, and then you need to minus it by 2, and then you'll be able to get how many stitches you need on both sides to be able to get your middle. So for example here, if I had a really small square, this would be 16 divided by 2 minus 2, which is 8 minus 2, which is 6. So then I have 6 double crochets on each side, and there is this one decrease of 4 stitches, and for each consecutive row you keep doing after that, it's always going to be 12 stitches on both sides, because that's 6 plus 6, so that's going to be 12. Pretending if this is 12, it would be in this fashion. Now, I call this structure when it's going up like this, because there's no increase or decrease technically, because it's like on this example here, like either 12 on 6 on each side, or like what I have here, actually 22. So that is stable growth. And for me, stable growth is when you have your rows and there's no increases like it's marked here in the red here. So on with that, I also want to point out that the tops here, which I actually had sewed on both sides because I just only wanted one, and this is a basic slip knot, so it's adjustable. So these are sewed, and this ends up, when you look here, this is like a nice cute little star. It's obviously got 8 sides, and when I looked at the side of this, when I pinched it and looked it up, you can actually see how it starts to flatten out over space. So this is flat. You can see how it starts to decline into a near flatness. If I keep going, this would further decrease infinitely until it goes infinitely flat forever. Hopefully this was enough detail. If you are a little bit of a crochet person and kind of know what I'm going on about, you need to understand that you need to make a solid square, and it has to be in multiples of 4, if you get the gist. And you want to do a decrease in the middle, which takes away 100%, and then these increases here in the corners, which also gains 100%, making it again a stable growth, making it 0 change, no decrease or increase overall. So I hope this was insightful and cool. Thank you.